Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video we'll be talking about how to earn money as a voice actor. Have you ever got compliments for your speech or your voice at least? Then you have a great opportunity trying this one, earning money as being a voice actor. So in this video, I'll be showing you the site which is legit which you can earn a lot. A great website to start your journey as a voice actor. And ultimately, a great option to start off with your journey as a voice actor. Without dragging, I'll start off with the video. And the website name is voice123.com. Here you'll be getting a huge number of projects as a voice actor. So many reputed companies are hiring people from here for their projects, and also this is one of the leading websites for being a voice actor as well as recruiting people for their projects. So people will be getting you by two methods. One is here, as you can see on the screen. They will search, they will listen to your samples that you have uploaded, and they will contact you and hire. Another one is they will post a project and you have to attend the audition, and if they like it they will award you with that project. So by these two methods you will get hired and be earning money in this website. And this is a great website to start off with your journey because this is ultimately legit and a great website to have huge number of projects. And guys, make sure you stay till the end of this video because I'll be showing you even the sign up process and all. I'm signing it personally. Here you'll be you have to fill your personal details. They'll be just asking you like what are languages you are comfortable with, and how well your like your voice is, like I mean are you a female or a male. Your voice will be like moreover like a kid or a teenage person or a young adult or old women, like something like that. So they'll be asking more information about your voice and your talent and your experience. So make sure you answer it properly, and also make sure you give out the languages that you are actually sure about, that you can actually talk fluently. And if you are native English, I think you will get a very huge number of projects. So fill out all the details and sign up for this website, and then complete your profile by adding many number of samples as possible, because when if you are having many number of samples, people will actually get to know more about you and your voice and your talent, so that even if one is not good with the other one, they can actually recruit you. So make sure you give a lot number of samples, and this is just the delivery of your voice, the recording that you have made. So the on-site is recording is nothing but you will be going directly to the studio and will be doing the voiceovers. And as you can see at the bottom of the page, they actually show you how many number of opportunities is actually available according to your profile. By the filling out itself, they will be showing you number of opportunities you will be getting. For this one they have showed 200. So fill out everything, make sure you give out your best samples in your profile. One huge tip that I would like to give you all is that rather than putting up all the samples and waiting for a client to come and get you on board, you could actually attend a lot of auditions and get started off with your journey. So we'll see about in the second part of this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now moving on with the second part of this video, I'll be showing you how you will your dashboard will look like, and what all you have to do. So the important and the foremost thing you have to keep on mind is that consistency, because you should be attending a lot of auditions, and think about any one thing that will just get clicked and you will get a good review, and your career will be getting started from this one. Working from home, your whole life will be changing, right? Because becoming a voice actor is also like other professions, which takes a lot of hard work and consistency to get you the most out of this thing. So complete your profile, and the payment methods are like you'll get paid through PayPal or direct bank account, something like that. So it's up to you to choose one. And before going on with the work thing, you have to fill up all the work, and you have to upload a few samples in order to get to know about the works that are available. As I have already told you, don't wait for people to contact you for a project. Just start applying for a lot of projects and do auditions. So you might end up getting anyone from at least say 100 auditions you have attended, and from that one you will get clicked, and after that you will get a returning customer. So think about in that perspective and start doing this one. In the bookings you will be shown with the number of projects you have on hand, and delivered will show you what all projects you have submitted and done with your work. So that's all about the dashboard. It's completely user friendly interface, so you can just understand from opening to the dashboard and signing up to this website. The major thing that I would like to tell you all is that there are lots of projects available in this website. Don't worry about projects and all, you have lots of auditions also. But important thing is that how much ever the projects are higher, competition is also higher. So guys, that's all about the video. Make sure you upload lots of sample and also do a lot of auditions. If you have any doubts about this website or anything, please comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible, and I will meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.